For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Arweave in a real sense is one of the most well-known decentralized capacity projects out there. Thusly, many truly are looking to especially put resources into its token, Arweave, R. This is the motivation behind why we need to impart to you our Arweave, R, cost expectations for the years 2022 to 2030. Amazingly, throughout the last week, the cost of Arweave, R, stayed around $14. The flow supply is 33 million. The market cap in every way that really matters, went up to $473 million, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Arweave, R, price prediction 2022 to 2030. Arweave's future cost is challenging to foresee as it for the most part is dependent on various variables, including the exhibition of the Arweave organization, worldwide financial circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of other digital currencies. Nonetheless, in the event that Arweave keeps on developing as an organization and application at its genuinely current rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for ARC could undoubtedly return to its exceptionally past prime and presumably even outperform it, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Remember that these generally are basically theories, albeit upheld by realities and in every practical sense, other fairly strong elements. Amazingly so, we should go to the intriguing part, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2022, Arweave, R, price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their way to Arweave's value. Pro Arweave. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the cryptographic money area shows that many individuals explicitly are positive about digital currencies overall. As per that and to Arweave's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a huge lift by the current year's end and go over the sticker cost of $50 in a very large manner. All the more unequivocally, we anticipate that the cost of R should move somewhere in the range of $49.52 and $52.94. 2023 in a significant manner. Numerous investigators truly have made Arweave cost expectations for 2023, in every practical sense. General agreement explicitly is that the cost of Arweave will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of Arweave blockchain, the developing ubiquity of crypto, and the generally in every way that really matters, uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While it in every practical sense, is difficult to generally say precisely exact thing the cost of Arweave will be in 2023, most specialists in every practical sense, concur that it can possibly fundamentally arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Arweave should reach $58.91 $62.35 toward the finish of 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2024, which is very critical. On the off chance that the development of Arweave proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting huge reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as moderate as conceivable to not misinform you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Arweave will essentially reach somewhere around $71.91. On the off chance that we let ourselves really be excessive more speculative, we'd raise it to $76.59. 2025, Arweave, R, price prediction, which essentially is very huge. As per a lot of Arweave lovers and their cost expectations, our costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $79.21 and $82.21. In any case, the most sensible assumption really is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With far-reaching reception, our cost expectation as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality in a quite enormous manner. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Arweave organization can fundamentally extend and create, in spite of mainstream thinking. All things considered, costs might try and especially go as high as $86.65, yet that in a real sense is very aggressive, in spite of prevalent thinking. 2026. Keeping our truly safe methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Arweave. Albeit especially many basically accept that by 2026 the cost of R will be no less than $89.59, we'd for the most part give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it generally is. We accept that Arweave will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $86.93 and $93.05, which is genuinely huge. 2027. As the years go by and Arweave proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly consider it filling in the assessment to be well, or so they thought. We imply that R will be assessed at around $98.09, $101.59. We figure the lower range of our value forecast will be somewhat more exact than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very eccentric, so you will truly need to sit back and watch 2028 in a sort of significant manner. In 2028, in the event that Arweave emerges with new undertakings and encounters further reception, we can sort of see it possibly arriving at a cost of $109, $118 in a significant manner. Ideally, the undertaking will truly proceed to in a real sense create and sort of draw in even certainly more crypto clients. In any case, it in a real sense is conceivable that it will lose the vast majority of its worth by 2028. 2029. For the very last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. By that, we explicitly imply that tokens will basically be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on. Accordingly, we in every way that really matters, figure Arweave will be moving from around $125 to $133 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise see it coming to the $140 mark. 2030, Arweave, R, price prediction. Crypto value forecasts are generally troublesome, as the digital money market is profoundly unpredictable. Significantly more so when we especially are discussing 8 years into what's to come. A few specialists have estimated that Arweave's cost could reach up to $152 by 2030. This would be a huge increment from its essentially current cost of around $12.24. However, it is critical to especially recollect that Arweave is developing, thus sort of is its reception rate, utility, and potential. Thinking about the entirety of the above mentioned, it would basically give the idea that R in a real sense is an exceptionally kind of promising speculation. The cost expectations for R are extraordinarily sure, and the sort